Fast, fast. If you finish it, we'll go for next exercise. Because all are very easy questions. I'm going to log the meeting now. Right. Yeah. Is it clear? Write the step. Next, question number 9. How many of you got the solution of question number 9?
Sir, minus bracket, sir.
Okay.
X sin x.
X sin x.
Log x.
Again log x.
Yes, sir.
Log x.
Plus cos x.
X sin x log x plus cos x.
That's all. Close the bracket, sir.
Okay.
By x log x square, sir.
X log x
Square. Sir. Sir.
Okay.
Only for log.
Oh, only for log. Yeah, everyone got this answer? Once check your answer with like book bag, they given answers, you can check with that answer. Very good. How to do that? I mean, question ID, like the question y is equal to, question is what is the question? Cos x by log x. Cos x by log x. Here x greater than 0. Then see here, this is, you can compare with u by v, because this is not a standard differentiation. Apply u by v formula. Already we know that d by dx of u is v u dash minus u v dash by v square, right? Apply like here u value is cos x, du by dx is minus sin x. Yeah, v value comparing v value is log x, dv by dx is 1 by x. Right. Substitute all these values here and simplify. They are going to get. Comparing with u by v, you will get u and v. Then after that, just write the formula. Remember, this is the derivative of quotient function. Sorry, this is u by v. Sorry, u by v. Quotient function. Next question. Question number 10. Last question. Let us take this is cos of log log x plus e power x. If it is objective question, what is the answer? Direct answer. First we can differentiate cos, next differentiate log and e power x. Plus will be there, not into. Just here they given only two functions. One is cos, another is log x plus e power x. Okay, now y dash is cos differentiation is minus sin x log x plus e power x into log x is 1 by x plus e power x is e power x. That's it. This is the answer. Okay, only two function is there. Cos of this value. First differentiate cos becomes minus sin of this x, and log x is 1 by x plus e power. Okay, so general outright differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides by applying chain rule. Like that, you can write one step. Then we can differentiate here dy by dx is equal to, like we can do d by dx of cos of log x e power x. Okay, cos will be minus sin of log x e power x into d by dx of log x e power x. Right. So here, finally answer you can write this down. After this, you can write that down. Let's go for exercise 5.5. Is there any doubts in 5.4? I'm asking to everyone, any doubts in 5.4? Good, almost everyone completed 5.4. Let's start 5.5. 5.5 also very, very easy only. I'm going to log the meeting. I log the meeting. Let's think right. 5.5 question number.
Doubt, sir.
Yeah, ask.
Sir, they can give a question like both containing u by v and uv, sir.
Let's give some examples.
Sir, like cos x by log x into log cos
By log x into
log into cos e to the power x, like that, sir.
log x plus e power x, like that. Your doubt.
Yes, sir.
For this section, what we will do? U by u only. This total value is u. Whatever denominator is, this is v. Always u by v only. Okay. For example, very big function like cos of, sin of, tan inverse of, log of, cos of, sin, tan inverse, log, e power x plus, and secant inverse x power e power x square or minus x square into x power 10 by some x is there. Some, sorry, not x, let us take some log x is there. What will you do? Let us take this total is u. This is v. This total function is u. This is v. Apply u by v form. How many times we can differentiate? 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, 5. In that also again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again minus. Okay.
Sir, they will give this kind of answer.
They never give this kind of question. Myself I given. Whatever they give, we can easily differentiate. Within a step, within one step, we can write the solution direct. But u by v means we cannot write. If it is only numerator, we'll write within a step. But you should apply u by v form. They never give this kind of question this much lengthy. Okay. They will give maximum two functions in numerator, like e power x log x, like that. Okay. Always quotient formula, u by v. And what is the first question here? The first question is, let us take again y, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. This is the question is given. Here the differentiate the given function with respect to x. Let's do. Is this standard form? Is it in standard form? No. This is not a standard form. Here product of two functions, product of three functions actually. Cos x is different from cos 2x is different from cos 3x, right? So we cannot write like cos cube or like that. Okay. Let's see here. What to do here? So this kind of question we can apply logarithmic formula. Log formula. Logarithmic formula. Okay. So already you know that what is log AB formula? Log AB. Log A plus
Log A plus log B.
log A by B. Yeah, here you see
Log A minus log B.
log A plus log B, and log A by B is log A minus log B, and log A power m formula is m log A, and log 0 undefined, log infinity is infinity, log 1 is 0, log x does not exist when x less than or equal to 0. Okay. And here even log a power m b power n can be written as m by n log a by b. Many properties we can write like log of a base b can be written as 1 by log b base a. Log a base b can be 1 by log b base a. This will be interchange. Like we write many properties. These are the, this is enough. This is logarithmic. Okay, now I am going to apply logarithmic formulas here. This is whenever you have a product. Okay, so now log of y is equal to log of cos 2x cos 3x. Now it's very easy. Log AB formula is log A plus log B. What is log A, B, C? This is A, this is B, this is C. Log ABC is log A plus log B plus log C. Okay, yes or no? Log ABCD is log A plus log B plus log C plus log B. So this is in the form log ABC. ABC log A plus log B plus log C. This is the formula. Apply this formula. So left side is log y is equal to log x, log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. I applied this formula. Now we can differentiate. Okay, now we can differentiate since we know that d by dx of log x derivative is this all functions it is in the form of log x, log x, log x, log x, log x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Okay, what is x here? Y. What is x here? Cos x. What is x here? Cos x. What is x here? Cos 3x. Apply here. A log y is what we can do here? Differentiate with respect to x. Here we are not applying chain rule here. We are not at all applying chain rule. Simply can write differentiate with respect to x here. So what is the answer we will get? Log y is 1 by y. See, here differentiate with respect to x, but here y will be there. Log y is 1 by y, again y is dy by dx. Is equal to log x 1 by cos x, again d by dx of cos x. Actually, we will write direct answer also after this, but anyway, we will write d by dx plus log cos 2x, log cos 2x 1 by cos 2x into derivative of cos 2x plus 1 by cos 3x into d by dx of again cos 3x. Yes or no? First differentiation of log, next cos. Differentiation of log, next cos. Again here cos 2x. Again here cos. Three derivatives are there. First log, next cos, next 3x. Let's see what they are. Okay, this is which implies 1 by y dy by dx is equal to right side is 1 by cos x. Yeah, what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Derivative of cos x minus sin plus 1 by cos 2x. Okay, what is the derivative of cos 2x? Cos 2x is minus sin 2x into d by dx of again 2x. This 2x plus cos 1 by cos 3x. 1 by cos 3x. Cos 3x is minus sin 3x into again the derivative of 3x. Okay, right. So which implies left side is clearly 1 by y dy by dx. Right side is sin by cos tan minus tan x minus tan x. Here plus into minus sin 2x by cos 2x is tan 2x into 2x derivative is 2. Here again plus into minus sin 3x by cos 3x is tan 3x into 3x derivative is 3. So finally the answer is dy by dx is equal to, you can cross multiply this y into minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. See, if you observe that they given question in terms of x. Finally, what is y? What is y? Y value substitute. Y value is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Here minus is common. I want to take minus common. So minus of y is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x into tan x, 2 tan 2x, 3 tan 3x. Very simple. Here the product of three functions, so that apply logarithmic formula, log on both sides, then we'll get log y is equal to log of this function. This is in the form of log ABC, log a plus log b plus log c. After that we can differentiate. Already we know that the derivative of log x is 1. Clear? Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So with respect to x, log y is 1 by y, again y derivative dy by dx. You should write, this is very important. They are asking dy by dx only. Okay, 1 by y dy by dx, then log derivative 1 by x, again cos x derivative. Log derivative 1 by cos 2x into derivative of cos 3x. Log is 1 by cos 3 cos 3x derivative. Cos x is minus sin x, cos 2x is minus sin 2x, again 2x derivative. Cos 3x is minus sin 3x, again 3x derivative. Like and like. At last you should write y value. You should write replace y value. This is the answer for the question. Otherwise we can multiply to this cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x inside also. You can write tan x or sin x by cos x. If you multiply cos x, cos x can. Remaining will get cos 2x, cos. No need. If it is clear, then we'll go for next question. Okay, do the next question.
Sir, some waiting outside.
Someone waiting. Okay. Next class will, after this I will draw the graph of e power x log x and x square x cube and 10 power x everything. Is it clear? Let's go for next question. Second one, question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2. Let us take again y is equal to square root of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. If you want to differentiate directly, what we can do here? First, we can differentiate the square root. After that, u by v formula. U by v also, u by v also. If you want to find dv by dx, we need to find again u v double format. So lengthy if you do directly. So lengthy, right? Then what will you do here? Again apply logarithmic. If you apply the logarithmic method, it will become so easy, right? Now, what is given function? Y is equal to, shall I write the given value as, okay, apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of, I want to write this value as like x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Shall I write this value as the square root as whole power 1 by 2? Square root means root x can be written as x power 1 by 2. I written whole power 1 by 2. This square root I written 1 by 2. Now if you observe that this is in the form of log, let us take this is a power n form, a power n. Can be written as m log a. Since log a power m can be written as m log a. Okay, what is a? This is a. What is m? Power 1 by 2. Apply this formula. So log y is equal, we can written as 1 by 2 of log x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 3, 4, 5. Again, this is same as log a by b. Log a by b. Log a by b here. Log y is equal to log a by b is 1 by 2 of bracket log a by b. This total as a, this total value as b, log a by b. Log a, log x minus 1, x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Okay, next. I applied log a power m here. Next, I applied log a by b formula here. Log a by b is log a minus log b. Now observe here, this is again log a b formula. Again, this is a b c. Log a b formula, log a b c formula. So clearly here, which implies next step is log y is equal to 1 by 2 log 1 by 2 of, yeah, log AB. What is log AB for log A plus log B minus of bracket. This is in the form of log A, B, C. So this can be written as log A plus log B plus log C. Okay, after log AB, log A plus log B. I written within the bracket log A, B, C can be written log A plus log B plus log C. Now you can differentiate. You can differentiate directly here. You can differentiate directly. Tell me what is the answer? After this, it is easy only. If you complete it, then go for next question, right? Try to finish all the questions. Okay, let's here. Same. Left side is important. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 log x derivative 1 by x. Log x. This is the form of x. 1 by x minus 2 minus log 1 by x minus 3. Okay. Then I want to multiply it. Minus into plus minus log x minus 4 is 1 by x minus 4. Sorry, minus into plus again minus 1 by x minus 5. Right, this is the answer. What will you do here? This y you can cross multiply. Y you can cross multiply. If you cross multiply here, we will get dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 is there. If you multiply y, if I want to take y here, we will get 1 by 2 of, you can write this total value. Then at last you can replace y again. What is y they given? They given y as 1 by 2 of x minus 1, x minus 2 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Brackets, you can write this total value. You should write this total value. Left side always will get like this one. Left side in every question will get log y is 1 by y dy by dx. At last you can cross multiply y and you should replace y value because they given question in terms of x. Answer also we need in terms of x only. Okay, don't simply cross multiply, don't leave because they given question in terms of x only. They didn't give like y is equal to 9. They given in terms of x. Answer also we need in terms of x. So that you should replace y. Yeah.
Sir, no need to simplify that, sir.
Not?
Sir, we don't need to simplify that, sir.
No need to simplify. If it is easy, you can simplify. See here, square root will be there. How can you simplify here? If it is possible, if it is easy to simplify, you can simplify. Like previous question is there, like cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. We got in terms of here tan x minus 2 tan 2x. Tan x right can be written as sin x by cos x. 2 tan 2x by cos 2x. See here in this case we can simplify. Multiply inside, it is very easy. Can you simplify it? Little difficult. So that you can leave this. Leave it. Up to here you can write, it is enough. Three also very easy. Here also you can apply logarithmic. Like let I want to take given question as y is equal to log x over cos x. This is also a not standard differentiation. not standard derivative. We cannot differentiate directly, so that what will you do? Like apply log y is equal to log x power cos x. This is same as log a power m. Log a power m. Log a power m formula. I said that m log a. Always this power becomes here. So log y is equal to cos x log of log x. Cos x becomes here cos of log x. Now you can differentiate by product rule, two functions. Product rule, this is u, this is v. So here every day morning 8:40, 8:30 to 8:40 you can join the meeting. I'll be log the meeting at 8:40. In second session, you can join the meeting like 9:10 to 9:20. 9:10 to 9:20. I'll log the meeting at 9:20. Because I am always unable to see that those are waiting. If their students are waiting, video will be stuck. It's not clear. It will give some problem. It's happened in previous classes, even sometimes happened to us only, right? So try to join the class within the time. I'm giving 10 minutes. Within the 10 minutes, you can join. If any technical problem, like if you are waiting, just send a message. You can WhatsApp me. If I see that, I will unlock it. Let's do the next question. Here you can do this question easily only. UV formula, product rule. Any doubts up to here? Here, remember that all examples are assignments. Okay, all examples are assignments. You can practice all examples. Right? Here you can apply. This is U, this is V. You can do this. We will go for next question. Here the next question is x power x minus 2 power sin. Here x power x, what we can do here? Can you apply logarithmic formula here? Like question number 4. Can you apply like log y is equal to log of x power x minus 2 power sin x? Okay, can anyone say that what is the formula of log a minus b? Yes, this is the form of log a minus b. What is formula? Yes.
A by B, sir.
Log a by b, wonderful.
No formula.
Sir, there is formula like that, sir.
Yes.
We have
There
no
is no
formula.
formula, sir.
What is formula?
No
Log
formula.
A minus log B, only log A B B.
We have no formula like that, sir.
Sir, only log A minus log B.
The log A minus B. You are saying that no formula for log A minus B. Is it right? Also, I am asking to all students, if there is no formula for log A minus B.
Yes, sir.
No formula, sir.
No formula. Clear? Why no formula?
Log A by log B.
Log A by log B. Log A by log B. Is it right?
No,
Log
sir.
A by log B. So here no formula because see here log A plus B. I want to take some positive value. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. Substitute here will get log of minus 1. Log of negative value, the function cannot be defined. So that no formula. If it is A plus B plus 1 plus 2, 3, you will get always positive 1. Log A into B, 1 into 2, 2, positive. So the function will be defined so that there is no formula for log A minus B. Is there any formula for log A into log B? Log A into, so there is no formula, we cannot apply log. So that we'll do one thing. This value u plus b, u minus b we can take. U is equal to x 4x and v is equal to 2 4 sin x. Now for separately we can apply log. U is equal to log of x for x. I think the session going to be end. Try to do the remaining problems. Whenever we are having like this, even it is plus also, there is no formula of log A plus B. It will be defined, but no formula for log A plus B. Look at it. Now log u is equal to x log x. This is u, this is v. Product rule, since d by dx of uv formula is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. Product rule. Okay, let us take here what is, already we taking u here. So let us take here, what shall we take here? Shall we take p of p minus q? P value, q value, your wish. Here log p, t, then now uv formula.